Hello, my dear lovely viewers. Today we have an interesting fact about a talk given by the famous artist Ustad Zakir Hussain. He says a trainer or a teacher never teaches anything, but instead the student should learn, and this is very important. The student must inspire the teacher to teach, or else there is no point in it. Knowledge is like a fast flowing river. That river is the same river like River Ganga that passes through Lord Shiva. The knowledge is passing through a trainer or a guru or even a mentor, and it's up to the student or the listener how much he wants to take from it. Whether a cup of water, a bucket full of water, or a truckload full of water, by showing us inspiration to learn more. Hope you all love today's content. Do like, share, and subscribe my channel. For training requirements, you can contact me in the number given in description. Thank you all. Have a nice day. Kumar, the hospitality trainer, signing off to bring more interesting contents on your screen. Until then, bye bye.